sigh. Another day, another dollar, am I right? Friends, are you tired of sitting at a plain and boring desk in the middle of this fun and festive season? Well, join me on a journey, Taylor Chu, as I show you how to decorate your desk to be spooky, inviting, and festive, and HR approved. Well, come on into my totally real and not fake at all outdoor office, decked out for Halloween. My name is Taylor Chu. Thanks for tuning into my video. I hope you have fun decorating your desk or office space, but whether you choose to share the candy is totally up to you. Check out my other crafting and baking videos right up on my channel. Until then, happy Halloween.